Good evening, everyone. Namaskar. Am I audible and visible? आवाज आ रही है? Thumbs up. Okay. I welcome you all on behalf of Always Life Yoga. Kindly settle down. आराम से बैठिए. Be comfortable. Okay, my instructions will be in Hindi and English. मेरे instructions Hindi, English दोनों में रहेंगे. One gentle reminder: we'll keep the mics off. हम mics को off रखेंगे. बीच-बीच में on नहीं करेंगे. If you want to take support in form of cushions or a chair, अगर chair cushions का support लेना आपको लगता है तो please support लेकर बैठेंगे. Let's sit with our back erect and eyes gently closed. सीधे होकर बैठे, आंखें सौम्यता से बंद, hands in ज्ञान मुद्रा. Shoulders loose and relaxed, कंधे बिल्कुल ढीले. Facial muscles absolutely relaxed, चेहरे की मांसपेशियां बिल्कुल ढीली. Abdominal muscles relaxed, पेट की मांसपेशियों को बिल्कुल ढीला छोड़ें. Simply watch your breath for a while. कुछ क्षण अपने श्वसन को लगातार देखते चले जाएं. Consciously take a deep breath in, लंबा गहरा सांस. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Om. Sahana Bhavatu. Sahana Bhunaktu. Sah Viryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu. Ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Silence, बिल्कुल शांत. We'll start by Chandra Abhyas 12 times. 12 बार चंद्र अभ्यास करेंगे. Close your right nostril. अपने right nose को बंद करें. Start inhaling left. Left से सांस अंदर. And exhale also through left. Left से ही सांस बाहर. Just be within and focus only and only on the breath. हमारा ध्यान सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमारे श्वसन पर. Let us proceed towards Brahmari 10 times. 10 बार Brahmari का अभ्यास करेंगे. Close the ears, close your eyes. अपने कानों और आंखों को बंद करें. Take a deep inhale and while exhaling, humming the sound. Hmm. Relax and simply watch your breath. Be aware of your breath. अपने श्वसन के प्रति सजगता निरंतर. Now choose any mantra which is most effective for you. किसी भी एक मंत्र का चुनाव करें जो हमारे लिए सबसे ज़्यादा प्रभावशाली है और उस मंत्र का उच्चारण 8 बार अपने मन में करें. Chant that mantra 8 times in your mind. Feel the power of that mantra. Feel the energy, the positive energy of that mantra. उस मंत्र के प्रभाव को अपने भीतर महसूस करें. उसकी ऊर्जा को महसूस करें. And remain silent, बिल्कुल शांत और स्थिर. मन पर क्या प्रभाव है चंद्र अभ्यास का, भ्रामरी का, मंत्र उच्चारण का, देखें. वॉच योर थॉट्स, अपने विचारों पर ध्यान केंद्रित कीजिए। अतः योगानुशासनम् अतः योगानुशासनम् अतः योगानुशासनम् अतः योगानुशासनम् अतः योगानुशासनम् Take a deep breath in, लंबा गहरा सांस भरें। Exhale and loosen the body, सांस को खाली करते हुए शरीर को ढीला करते जाएं। Gently bow down to Mother Earth, अपने सर को जमीन से स्पर्श करें। Slowly come back. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently rub your palms. When you feel warm, touch your eyes, roll it down to your face, your shoulders, arms, chest, abdomen, thighs, knees and legs. Open your eyes and look at your palms. अपनी हथेलियों को देखें. A sound and peaceful sleep, everyone. Good night. Shubh Ratri. Take care of yourselves. I will see you all tomorrow. Good.
Ma'am. Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good night, ma'am. हाँ जी बताइए.
ma'am, this time you were not available on Sunday for question answer session. Ma'am. I have collected so many questions to ask you.
Yes, please go ahead.
मैम उसी दिन पूछे मतलब इस टाइम आपका जाने का टाइम होता है ना इट्स नाइट विल यू बी अवेलेबल
नहीं.
दिस संडे
This Sunday, yes, I will be available. Actually, I was traveling and again, my health is not really well. But
Oh,
still, if you
oh.
want to ask me, you can go ahead. There's no issues. There's no
मैम
issue.
आपने थायराइड के लिए तो एक वो बताया था सर्वांग आसन दैट वी कैन दैट आई
हाँ
एम
जी.
डूइंग डेली
हाँ जी.
Okay, for 3 minutes, I'm trying to do it daily. Can you tell some asanas for like one asan for diabetes also, which I can do daily and can relieve my diabetes?
Sure. See, for diabetes, what you have to focus on is the twisting poses more and more. Okay. The more twisting
Okay.
poses you will do, the more it will affect the kidney health and more it is good for our kidneys and diabetes and everything. So what you have to do
Okay.
is you have to do Vakrasan every day. Hold it each
Okay.
side 1 minute, the other side
Okay.
1 minute. Okay, so
Okay.
2 minutes
Okay.
of complete Vakrasana. Then lie down,
Okay.
and then after lying down, the legs and knees are together, the feet and knees, and
Mm-hmm.
then the arms
Mm-hmm.
are nicely stretched. When we twist left, the face is towards the right. Hold in that
Okay.
position for
Okay.
12 long
Okay.
deep breaths. Then do it from
Okay.
the other side. Hold for 12 long deep breaths, the other side.
Okay.
Second thing.
Okay.
Okay. The third thing for diabetes, again, do Pavan Muktasan every day. And again, hold it. You don't have
Okay.
to raise your head up. You just hold the legs nicely. Keep your lumbar
Okay.
region on ground. The legs
Okay.
should be nicely pressed towards the
Okay.
stomach and towards the lower belly. Okay. And you have to hold that pose again for at least 40 seconds.
Okay.
30 to 40 seconds. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then
Okay.
one more asan. What you do is after doing Vakrasan, the best asan for diabetes is Ardha Matsyendraya Asan. So for Ardha Matsyendraya Asan, just keep the what you will do, just keep the legs like this, fold both the legs, then take out the left foot out, and the right
Okay.
foot will come like this.
Okay.
Just a
Okay.
second.
Okay. Okay. Got it, ma'am. Got it.
1 second. Huh? Okay, so this
Hmm.
should be the
Hmm.
position, the
Hmm.
advanced
Hmm.
variation of Vakrasana, Ardha Matsyendraya.
Hmm.
Now left hand crossing the right knee. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you
Okay.
can hold the left foot, hold the left foot. If you cannot
Okay.
hold the left foot, keep the hand like this. The
Hmm.
right hand will be locked at the back, like this.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then inhale and exhale, twist deeply as much as you can.
Okay.
And again, 10 long deep breaths right side, 10 long deep breaths left side. The best asana for diabetes. Okay.
Okay.
Start doing these asanas with lots and lots of holding. You will get relief in diabetes as well, for sure. But it will
Okay,
take
ma'am.
3
Thank
months,
you.
okay?
Okay, ma'am. So everything like
Okay.
takes 3 months at least, right?
At least 3 months. हमें अच्छे इफेक्ट्स देखने के लिए 3 महीने तो रुकना ही पड़ेगा कम से कम.
Okay. We really missed you yesterday. Yesterday's
I
class
missed you
was
too.
not good at all.
I understand. I don't feel like taking leaves because I too miss you a lot. But sometimes मैं इतना travel कर रही होती हूँ कि मुझे वो time नहीं मिलता है class लेने का बीच बीच में. So I'm really sorry about
Today
it.
also I saw if you are taking class or not. Otherwise, I wouldn't have attended the class. I saw your
No,
name, then only I attended the class. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I'll be regular. Don't worry, okay? And if you have any
Thank you,
questions,
ma'am.
please feel free to ask because these 5 minutes are for question and answers only. So you don't have to
Okay,
worry
okay,
about.
okay.
You can ask me,
Thank you
okay?
so much, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Take care.